Welcome back. We're back at it again. I hope some of y'all checked out the last video that shows you how to download download a video from YouTube. Sorry. It shows you how to download a video from YouTube. So since you guys are familiar with that, next step is once you get your video, you want to download a lot and start editing, right? You want to go to ChatGPT and get a title matter of fact, go to ChatGPT and figure out what you want your YouTube page name should be. It'll give you some ideas and then that'll be it. And then once you get that, you want to get a thumbnail, right? Thumbnails are not really hard to make. I don't like Canva. That's just my preference. Whatever your topic is, you should just Google the picture, right? So let's say it's about plants. Let's say you want to show videos about plants. You go on Google and Google the type of plants you want. You screenshot the picture, and then you could go on ChatGPT and ask it to like make it cinematic, clear, Hollywood looking, and that's your thumbnail. Thumbnail drives traffic. Remember that. A good thumbnail will get people to like wonder, like, what's this video about? If you don't have a good thumbnail, nobody's gonna really watch it. Let's be honest, right? You upload your first video with a thumbnail and title. If you don't know what title you want to title your video, ask ChatGPT again. ChatGPT should be your best friend, right? You want to write a description inside the long format video, ask ChatGPT. It'll come up with hashtags and everything. I'm telling you, I use ChatGPT every day. It's like it's my personal secretary. So once you put all that into the video, your title, you have a thumbnail, you have a description, you want to, instead of having it public, you want to have it set to private. The reason why you want to set it to private is when you set your videos to private, you could schedule it anytime you want. So let's say it's 2 a.m. and I don't want to publish a video at 3 a.m. So I would hit private and have it scheduled for like, let's say noon, right? Or like 4 p.m. where people are like off work and watching YouTube, right? Never have your video for public, right? Because you don't want it to air at whatever time you're at. Unless like you're like, it's 8 p.m. and you want it to premiere right now. But video on private and have it set to whatever time, thumbnail, the description, and your title, right? Once you have all that, you upload your first video. And I would tell you probably like the 3 best times. So if you're starting off, you should try to post like 2 videos a day, every day, Sunday to Sunday, right? Especially if you're downloading like 10 videos a day or 10 videos from the website I told you every other day. You should have enough footage where you could upload 2 videos every day, right? I will upload a video at noon and then a video at like 7, 8 o'clock, right? 7, 8 o'clock is good. People winding down, watching YouTube, just chilling. Noon is like people like eating lunch, having that break from work, and they'll just get on YouTube, right? The more views you could get, the better, the quicker you get monetized. Obviously, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 long form watch hours to get monetized. Next thing I want to talk about, once you have your video uploaded, just keep posting, right? The first day you might not get no views. You might get 5, 2, 3. Just keep posting, because how YouTube really works is it'll show your video to a small sample, right? And then after that, if people watching it, liking it, then they'll test it to another sample. And it just keeps doing that all day. And then you're just going to keep doing that all week, and so on, right? And the reason why this Faceless process works, because you're taking videos that shown it work, right? You're not doing a random video, or you're not taking a video for somebody that got 20 subscribers and got 1 views every video. You're taking videos from people or a person that has hundreds of K views, so the video works. So you're not even questioning the video. Next, you got to question is my thumbnail good? Is my description good? Is my hashtags good, right? So all that part is on you. So you got to figure it out yourself. And obviously ChatGPT helps you. Again, ChatGPT is your best friend. So once you upload 2 videos every day, it should be every day like clockwork. That's why you have your videos on private, so you could have it done, right? So you do the work at night if you're a nighttime person, or early morning if you're an early morning person. Download the video. You should have videos saved, upload it, set it for a certain time, twice a day, probably noon and then 7 to 8 p.m. and have it every day. And eventually you'll go from 5 views to 20 to hundreds to thousands. And then what really drives traffic is shorts. Shorts is like crazy, right? You could get 5 views from your long form video and your shorts could get like 10K views. It's crazy how shorts are. We live in a world where people mindset is like they want something in like 10 seconds. Like, what is it? Get straight to it. So shorts helps everything. Again, I'm gonna leave the description of this AI app / website that you copy and paste your video or anybody's video, and they'll cut it into like viral worthy shorts. Like sometimes it'll cut it to like some useless shorts that doesn't really help you, but 9 out of 10 it cuts it to like a lot of good shorts. And what's so good about it, if you play with the website / app, you could schedule your shorts to premiere at a certain time. So like you could go through all the little clips that you see and schedule shorts to go from like 5 a.m., 10 a.m., noon, so on and so on. And you want to at least push out 7 shorts every day. Because again, shorts drive traffic and it gets you subscribers, right? One short could get you 200K views, and that's like at least 100 subscribers right off the bat. So again, you want to post as many shorts you want. You want to post as many shorts as you can, and post 2 long videos every day, no matter what, every day, right? You don't want to skip a day, because if you skip a day, YouTube's like, all right, this person's not serious. Let's not really start showing his videos to more people, right? That's how I did it. I was posting 3 times a day, to be honest. I was posting 3 times a day for like 3 months straight. I didn't miss one day. And then I got monetized. And once I got monetized, my first pay was like $1,200. And I was like, $1,200 for this? And then from there, it just kept going. There's some months it was a lot, some months it was little, but I was making money, right? And at the end of the day, you want to start making money. And then obviously you're going to get people in the comments like, stealing content, that's bad. You know what? Those are the people that watch YouTube and they wish they could do what you're doing. You're taking a step by trying it and knowing his work, because I'm showing you proof, and trying to help build yourself so you could be, financially free, right? So a year from now, you could quit your job, or you could work part-time. You could do whatever you want. You could travel to Dubai without having to put PTO or tell your boss, can I take some time off so I could go out the country? Or even like, let's say it's January and you want to go somewhere, you don't have to like save months in advance. You could just like, no, I'm gonna just go to Dubai because I got the bread, I got the money. So again, put the work in, be consistent, post twice a day, every day, and I guarantee you within 3 months, you'll be monetized and you'll start making money. All right, till next time, like, share, and subscribe. I got more information. Let me know what else you want to learn. Put in the comments and I'll be glad to help you. Till next time.